Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a logo in Canva for your clothing brand. What do you need to do? But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to post your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to make a logo in Canva for your clothing brand. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the search bar just type templates. In the left sidebar, click templates, and then in the search bar just type logo for clothing brand. And you see here you have more than 20,000 templates. Just scroll down and choose the templates you like, but just keep in mind some templates they have this brown icon. This is for Canva Pro subscribers. You need to subscribe in Canva Pro to get access to those templates, but there are many templates don't have it and free to use them. Okay, now just scroll down and choose the templates you like. Okay, for example this one, and then here click customize this template. Okay, now here for example Olivia fashion clothing. Okay, here Olivia. For example, we can change it to Sarah. Now just decrease the font size and okay, decrease more. We can change the font size. We can change the style of the font. Maybe we go with Anton. Okay, and now here for example this image we will change it. Just click in the image and then click in the image and then delete. And now you can go to elements and type close. Okay, here photos, just click see all. Okay, for example you change it with this one. Okay, increase the size. And here shop now, it's okay. Here you can change the website, for example www.sarah.com. And here if you want for example to change the background, just click here and then click BG remover. Okay, and then here's BG remover. Okay, we can increase the size more. Just go a little up. Yeah, and then when you are happy with the templates, just go to share and then click download and download again. This is what you need to do if you want to make a logo for your clothing brand. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. This will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.